KSOO's father will be testifying against his own son at trial. KSOO's dad is flipping on his son and will be a witness for the state in the first-degree murder case against KSOO. Abdul Robinson Sr., 51, who's KSOO's dad, has agreed to cooperate with prosecutors in a high-profile murder case in which both of his sons are charged. Hakeem Robinson, who's KSOO, is charged with first-degree murder. Abdul Robinson Jr., which is KSOO's brother, is charged with second-degree murder. Robinson Sr. is charged as an accessory after the fact to the first-degree murder. 3 others are also charged. In filings this week, the state attorney's office has informed his sons, Hakeem Robinson and Abdul Jr., that their father is now cooperating with prosecutors and has given statements in the murders of Charles McCormick and Damon Rothermel. Inmates who cooperate with prosecution are often transferred to the county jail for their safety. KSOO was indicted of first-degree murder in 2 cases in March, and both the victims were rival Jacksonville rappers Charles McCormick, aka Lil Buck, who was killed in January 2020, and Adrian Gaynor, aka Bibby, who was killed in February 2019. KSOO has pled not guilty. Court records show that Robinson Sr. has agreed to testify as a witness for the state in the McCormick case. He has been moved out of Duval County Jail for his safety. According to police and prosecutors, McCormick was fatally shot in Dames Point Plaza on Merrill Road on January 15, 2020, which is Lil Buck. An officer witnessed the shooting. According to a warrant, he saw a gunman stand over McCormick and shoot him with a rifle before fleeing in a Nissan Altima. The assailant was captured on surveillance video, and prosecutors say that Hakeem Robinson, whose KSOO, is the man pictured, something his lawyers deny. After the shooting, the officer chased the Nissan until it crashed and 3 other people fled, according to the warrant. Prosecutors say that KSOO's fingerprints was on the rifle in the car and his hair was found on a t-shirt nearby. Now, if you've been following the case, you know that KSOO's lawyers have been denying that he is, in fact, the person that is in the surveillance picture. They say that because it doesn't match his height and neither does it match his weight. But what's interesting now is that they have this evidence that basically say he was in the Nissan Altima. The shirt that was nearby, which is not in the Nissan Altima, but the rifle that was in the Nissan Altima, they say his fingerprints is on. So I wonder what his lawyers have to say about that. Now, a lot of people have reacted to this news that KSOO's father is taking a stand against him and is cooperating with the state. You got 50 Cent, you have Fulio, and you have Young and Ace. Fulio says that he predicted that this was going to happen. He says that he already knew, he called it a year ago, while Young and Ace is just disappointed that KSOO's father is taking a stand against his own son. But I want to hear your thoughts in the comments about this whole situation of KSOO's father taking a stand against his son. Stay tuned for more updates surrounding this case and whatever else happens.